Hey there everyone, in this video I will show you how to add keyframes in Capcut PC. So let's get started. First of all, as you can see, I have uploaded a video into my timeline. So this is called timeline. I have uploaded a video. Now after selecting the video, you will see these types of option. So under the transform tab, you will see the scale, then uniform scale, then for position, rotation, and for the blend, this icon. Okay, so this icon is called the keyframe icon. So here you can see the keyframe, also here and also here and also here you can see the keyframes. So let's just check it out how it works practically. Okay, so if we just select the keyframes of the scale, like if you want to just zoom in and zoom out for the video, you can add the scale for a keyframe. First you need to add a keyframe where you want to start the transition or the zoom effect. Okay, after that you need to add another for the position. All right, then for the rotation, if you want rotation you can add, but in my case I won't do that, so I won't add the rotation. All right, first of all, so I have added the rotation and position scale keyframes, and then let's just, you need to make another keyframe and then adjust it. So if I go to like 0.2 seconds further like this, now again add a keyframe of the scale and then for the position. So let's just adjust it like this, like we need to zoom in the video like this and position it into the middle. All right, so as you can see, so if we just go to back again, let's see what happens with the keyframe. Okay, all right guys, that's how you can use the keyframes. As you can see, we got this, so we got a cool looking animation with the keyframes. So the question is, what is the use of keyframes? The answer is simple: you can do animation type works with the keyframes. Okay, so I think this video is short, but you can know how these keyframes works. Now you can just simply now play with it and make it for different level or creative purpose. Okay, so thank you so much guys for watching this video. Have a great day.